Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, whatever time it might be. Welcome back to my garage. Today, we have a very special episode, and it's thanks to viewers like you that made it possible that we are changing the oil. Now, it's not a special oil. We're actually going to check if oil flushes damage the engine. And as I said, thanks to the help of viewers like you watching my channel, I flushed this thing so many times, it is ridiculous. But does it damage or does it do anything negative to the engine? Let's look at it today and find out. Now the first place I'm going to look for engine damage is going to be in the engine well. I'm going to see if anything is going to be leaking. There's plenty of spots where the spark plugs go, where we have different joints, and all kinds of other places that could be leaking oil. And that would tell me instantly if I have a leak or if oil pressure is getting too large and something is wrong. But from what I see is I see a whole bunch of dust, but I'm not seeing anything else. And that is going to be a good sign that everything in all the seals are good and we're not leaking any oil.
On the other end, I can see over here my oil filter. Nothing's leaking out of that, so it's nice and tight. But still the seals, well, the oil filter links up to the sump and up to the engine. I do not have any leaking, so I'm good on that end. And over to the main part of the engine where I have the flywheels and other pulleys, I'm not seeing any leaking. So I know my engine is nice and sealed and it's looking really good from this point.
Another way to determine how your engine is running is to collect a sample of the oil while you change it.
And that can easily be done with just a plastic cup.
You can get a good sample and take a look at it to see if there's any metal shavings, any coolant, or anything else that's inside the engine. Now a close examination of the oil, I can see no metal shavings. It is a bit dark, but it was time for the oil change anyways. I'm not seeing anything pool to the surface. I'm not seeing any other liquids in there, so it looks pretty good. But a surefire way to know what's going on with your oil is with Blackstone Labs. This is a service I used before, very awesome. They pretty much take a sample of your engine oil, which you send you this kit, free in the mail. All you have to do is send it back to them. They even have the packaging and postage and everything. And you just include the sample of your oil. I'll fill it up for them. And all I have to do is seal it off, put it in its container, and they'll tell me exactly what's going on with my engine, if I have any contaminants in it, and how it is running. And the last way today I'm going to talk about to determine if you have engine damage is just by listening to it. Start it up. Do you hear any grinding? Do you hear any weird noises? Do you hear hissing? It should feel and sound pretty smooth. But that's going to be over time. You know what your car smells like or sounds like. So if it sounds weird, if it sounds different, it's definitely something going on, and it should be sounding that way. And there we go. Hopefully that helps somebody out. If you have questions about your engines, definitely listen to them. If you have trouble, take it to a professional or go ahead and fix it yourself. It's very easy to fix it inside your garage. Thank you for joining me in my garage. I hope everybody stays safe, pleasant, and just have some fun along the way. I'll be turning in this Blackstone oil analysis. If you're interested yourself, blackstone.com or Blackstone Labs, just Google Blackstone Labs. It'll come up. They're a great service. I used them before. Very happy with the results, and we'll see how they do it. Now that I didn't ask for it or they didn't want to do a review, we'll see if just a regular customer gets those same results. But thank you very much for watching. Watch, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to share this video. All of you guys help me out and allow me to do what I do inside my garage. So, as I always say, and I mean it straight from the heart, ride safe, drive safe, and please keep at least 2 wheels on the road.